Today we're at Target again.
Yay, Target again.
Yeah, but the other Target was like we used to went to different Target. It was at the mall.
Yeah, it's a different Target. But first,
Coffee.
coffee.
Starbucks.
This wasn't a planned trip to Target.
Guys, let me get them up. Yes, I have nothing.
Let me see. Aww. Thank you. No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Oh, they have Christmas sweaters now. They didn't have these last time we were here. They have the Grinch. They have Mickey Mouse.
Guys,
Christmas tree. Some dancing girls.
guys, I'm gonna do a contest in pumpkins.
Yeah, she's doing a pumpkin contest
Yeah.
at church.
Yeah.
Crazy pumpkin, right? They have
But
Star
no,
Wars. Coca-Cola.
No.
And the mama one. Those pants. Look, those
And that's some more Christmas
those
stuff.
are cute socks. They look so soft. Oh, they have more Christmas sweaters, ugly sweaters. Oh, the Christmas ones over here too. Going to the electronics again. Oh, those plates are so cute.
Oh, that's a cute little stuff.
That's so cute.
Yeah. Keep going.
Here's our clearance section. I don't need anything, just looking.
Hey guys, we're at the Dollar Tree now. Guys,
We're back at Dollar Tree.
there we go. This one.
Yeah, you're gonna turn right here. Sophia's on a mission.
Yeah, I really want my nails.
Hold on, Sophie. Let's get some of these.
On these?
Yep. Ooh, this looks interesting. Sophia's on a mission. She wanted to come in here for one thing only. Your face mask here.
Where's the stickers of the nails? I want those.
You want the stickers?
Yeah.
Let me see. Just stickers? She's looking for sticky nails. Mm. They actually don't have any today. I'm surprised. They always have them.
Oh, I saw Tom. Oh, who's Tom? That's him.
I don't know about those. They have Wet n Wild nail polish. They have some of that flower brand. These are kind of cute. Why don't you just get nail polish? Oh, look, they have the Kiss Super Bond nail glue.
I want 3 colors. Okay? No, I can't place this.
What about this pink?
No.
Oh, that pink.
Yeah, I'm gonna get 3 colors. Okay, Mom?
3 colors.
Yeah, I want 3. Oh, Mommy.
lots of little village houses.
Meet Christmas?
Yeah, those are cute.
Whoa, look, they got a crown.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Look at this.
Mhm.
Ooh, I wish I can get these. Mom?
What?
I wish I can get these.
You do? Oh, what are these? Tsum Tsums. Oh, how cute. Look, they have little Tsum Tsums.
They're nice.
So they have Tsum Tsums. Look how cute.
Look, guys, I found another mystery.
Oh, there's Dumbo. Can you put this back up there for me? Oh, they have Scott's toilet paper here.
Mom,
Yeah?
I got some TikToks.
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah.
These are cool. So Dollar Tree upgraded their brooms and mops. This is the old ones that they have, which I like. I've used them and they last long. And this is the new upgrade. Get some sponges. Wait.
Okay. I'm in some trouble. The car.
You're having trouble driving that?
No, I'm just getting trouble for this car.
They have nice spatulas. Those are nice.
You can't drink it.
They have new Tupperwares too. It looks like people are buying them because there's only a few left. And like a copper lid. Those are nice. This is a cute mug. Caffeinated. Yes. Life is better with a furry companion. Coffee is a hug and a mug. My mom would like that. Hi sis. Skin perfecting. What is this? Milk serum, wild jasmine and rose. This is new. I have not seen this. Hydrating. This is new too. I have not seen this. Leave-in conditioner. That's new too. Made with organic shea butter. Leave-in conditioner. Detangles and protects. Ooh, detangles. Pretty interesting. Pantene